guys, it's me, Terry of the Yarn Joy podcast. I got another stack of Christmas cards, and so I want to share them with you. Okay, so my first one, it came from Wanda, and she does have a YouTube channel, and it is called Rolling Through Life. And she sent me this beautiful card with a candle on it. It says, "The light of the world shines bright at Christmas." And she just wrote a sweet little note in there. Anyway, thank you so much, Wanda. I love this card. It's very pretty. Okay, the next one comes from... Oh, it comes from Kindle. Now, she did send me a Christmas card. No, she sent me a birthday card just about a month ago. So now she sent me a Christmas card. So thank you so much, Kindle. And Kindle lives in Sacramento, California. And she sent me this cute little snowman card. I love it. I think it's so cute. So thanks so much, Kindle. Okay, the next one comes from Shirley, and she is from New York. And she sent me this beautiful card with poinsettias on it. See? Very, very pretty. Oh, and it said that she made it. On the back it says handmade by, and then it's got her initials. So that's so pretty. So you made it. Awesome. I really appreciate it. It's beautiful. Thank you, Shirley. And then she just included a little note in here to me. So thank you so much. I really love that. Okay, and then I got a postcard from Brian and Karen of Fiber Hearts, and they sent me this. I love it. And then on the back there's this cute little note. I'm not sure if it's Brian or Karen that wrote this little note, but there's a little poem in here. I want to read it to you because I thought it was so cute. It made me giggle. Okay, it says, "Merry Christmas, Terry, from your yarny friends Brian and Karen." Okay, which are Fiber Hearts. Okay, and then let's see, they say, "God bless you and your family in 2020 and beyond." And then they say, "May your FOs be many and your frogs be few." It's going to be a great year. Oh, I love that. I love that expression. Thank you so much. And thank you for the cute little postcard. Okay. The next one comes from Cleveland, Ohio. And this is another handmade card. It is so pretty. So it's this textured, can you see the textured, like embossed paper on there? I think you can. And then it says, "Oh Holy Night." And then it lifts up like this. And it says, "For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given. Merry Christmas." That's so sweet. And this is from one of my viewers and my now good friend that I have come to know through emails and little messages. And this is Zella. So thank you so much, Zella. I love this card. Okay, the next one comes from, who's this? Karen, aka a yarn addict, and I believe and she does have a YouTube channel, so I will link it below. But this is beautiful nativity scene card. I really love that, and that says, "Oh Holy Night." So sweet. Thank you so much, Karen, for thinking me and sending me this beautiful card. Okay. Next one is from Llama Mama Kayla and Phoebe. And she sent me a photograph card. It says, "Merry Christmas from Llama Mama Kayla and Phoebe." I love it. That is so cute. I so much enjoy watching Kayla's videos, and her little dog Phoebe always makes an appearance, and she is so cute. She's such a little ham. Okay, next card comes from Tracy from Pennsylvania, and she sent me this beautiful card with a little snowman on it. It says, "Peace on Earth." And this is Tracy. She does have a YouTube channel called Creatively Tracy, and I will link it below so you can check her videos out. Thank you so much for the card. Tracy. And also in there she gave me some tea that's called White Chocolate Mocha, and it's the Stash brand. I've never tried that before, but I'm looking forward to trying it. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next one comes from April, and she has a YouTube channel. Her channel is named Be Wowed by April, okay? And I will link it below. And she sent me this beautiful card with the Woody station wagon and Christmas tree on it. It says, "Home for the holidays." Beautiful card, I love it. And a sweet little note, so thank you so much, April. I really like that card. Thank you. Okay, what else? The next one, ooh, this one, I was so excited to get this one. This card came from Germany. Oh man, it is so cool. Let's see if you can see the German stamp. That is so neat. And the address says Frankfurt, Germany. It's so cool. And she sent me this card. It's got this beautiful Christmas tree made out of baubles, I guess. And it's got this down here in German, and I looked it up, and it means Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That is so cool. And this card is from Eva. And she does not have a YouTube channel, but she just writes a little note in there telling me how she enjoyed my channel. And she said even if sometimes she didn't understand everything I was saying because she's German. But I think that was so sweet of her to think of me and to send me this card. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, the next one is from Petra, and she does have a YouTube channel, Petra's Happy Place, I believe, and I will link it below. And she sent me this beautiful nativity scene card. I really love that. Sweet little note inside, and she said big hugs. She says, I'm a hugger. I'm a hugger too, Petra, so hugs back to you. Just a sweet little card. Just really made my day. Thank you so much, Petra. Okay. The next one comes from Erin of St. Augustine, Florida. And she sent me she sent me a beautiful card that's got doves on it on a Christmas tree. It says Peace at Christmas. It says Peace at Christmas, yeah. Beautiful card. And she taped on the inside. Now I can untape it and I can start using it. But she sent me a beautiful stitch marker there, and if you see it's got the double hearts right there hanging. It is so cool and such a pretty color. I love that blue in those beads. So thank you so much, Erin. I really appreciate it. And then the next one came from Marcia of made by Marsha's mom, Marcia. And she lives in Florida as well. And she sent me this cool handmade card. Let me show it to you without making a mess. It's got this snowman here, but then when I opened it up, there was these, I don't know if you, but they're like, see that? So they're like these little styrofoam snowballs and some loose snowflakes. They were all just inside the card. Snowflakes and these little snowballs. So cute. And then a bag of candy cane tea. So thank you so much. And I've got snowballs. Every time I find another one of these little snowballs, Marsha, I will think of you. Okay. Okay, next. I got 2 packages, okay? The first one here came from Bonnie, and this is strawberry crochet. I think she used to be called My Bonnie Crochet or something. Now she's called Strawberry Crochet, Strawberry Bonnie or something. But I will link her channel below. And she sent me this beautiful card. Now she did send me a picture of her daughters, but I don't know if she wants me to show those. But they are beautiful daughters. I really enjoy that picture. I'm glad you sent it to me, Bonnie. And inside she just wrote a cute little note, and she's got some little stickers. There's a turtle with a strawberry on him, on the top. It's a nice, beautiful glittery card. Thank you so much. Oh, and also she had taped, let me get it out, yeah. She had taped to the card in the mailer these two beautiful stitch markers. This one has got a strawberry on it. If you can see that, that's a strawberry. And then this one is got a little, it's a little cat because it's got whiskers on either side of the little rhinestone thing, bead. Anyway, it's so cute. So thank you so much. I love the stitch markers, and I will cherish this picture of your daughters, and I love the card, so thank you so much. Okay. And now this package, I was surprised to get, well, I was surprised to get all of these cards and all of these packages. I appreciate each and every one of them so much. But this package came from Jackie, and this is Hooking in Good Company, is her YouTube channel, and she makes her home, well, she has two homes. Sometimes she's in Amsterdam in the Netherlands, and then other times she is in Jerusalem. So she kind of goes back and forth with her husband. And so she sent me a cute little card, and she's been, I think she's gotten addicted to using safety eyes because she's been putting safety eyes on everything. And so she made this little creature here, critter, and she said it was ode to safety eyes. Oh, I'm so sorry. I had him upside down like that because I see there is a hanging loop right there. So anyway, and it's got this hair. So cute. And then clip to it, I didn't want to unclip them yet because I didn't want to lose them, but she has these two stitch markers that she made for me, and they're made out of wood. And see, this one is a camel, you see that, and then this one right here I believe is a fish. It's like a silhouette of it right there. See, it's a fish, I think. Anyway, she said that and they're both wood, and she said that these stitch markers, the wood, came from Bethlehem. So I think that is super awesome. That's such a meaningful thing, you know? It's cool. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jackie, for thinking of me and sending this to me all the way from Jerusalem. And there's also a postcard in there right here, and this said this is a print. It said Armenian pottery and ceramics in Jerusalem is what this print is of. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so that are the cards and the packages that I recently received. You know, for Christmas items, Christmas cards. Now, I also got a package, and this is part of my birthday, belated birthday, but Amber of Ooh Ah Crochet, she sent me, for my birthday, she gifted me the ornament pattern set from Valerie of Old Soul Crochet, those cool animal head ornaments that she's been making, and she gifted me a set, or the pattern for the whole set of the ornaments that Valerie designed, so I really appreciate that. And then also to go along with it, crinkling, she sent me this little package, and the first thing that was I saw in the package was this cute ornament that Amber made, and it's got these stitch markers around on the inside. Says believe, and like angel wings, and made with love, and a heart with angel wings. That's so cool. And she has got a blanket yarn inside there. I think that's so cool. Thank you so much, Amber. And then she also sent me this candle, and it is a handmade candle. I believe it's by a friend of hers. Smells good. Almost smells like it's a soap or something, but it's an owl. in 2 different colors. I think that's so cute. And she was saying how it matched my owl up there on my banner. And she sent me the card, or inside the package there was a card of where the candle came from, and it was, I can't pronounce it. Begans, I guess, Addictions is the name, and there's an email and Facebook information. I will put this in... Oh, I know what it is, because the lady's name is Megan or Bethany, so I guess it's Beggin, like the B is for Bethany and the rest of it is for Megan, I guess, of their names. Anyway, there is the information, and I will put it in the description box below, the information to the people that made this candle. So thank you so much, Amber. I really appreciate you thinking of me and gifting me the pattern for my birthday, and also the candle and the little ornament. I really appreciate it. Oh, and please check out Amber's channel. That is Ooh Ah Crochet here on YouTube. And she is trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. She's got 960 something. So she has like just a few more to go, you know. She has less than 40, I believe, to go. So if you haven't subscribed to her, go ahead and go over there and check her out and subscribe to her channel so she can reach her 1,000 subscriber goal. I appreciate it. Okay, so that is all of my happy mail for now that I've gotten up to now. So thank you so much, everybody. I just love all these Christmas cards and the stitch markers that I've received and the little teas, and just everything is just awesome. So thanks everybody for watching and sharing in my happy mail. This is Christmas Eve when I'm filming this, and I've got people coming this evening, and so I need to go make some more candy and some things. So we'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.